Hi guys, it's Ruthie and welcome back to another video. So today is going to be super simple, and I apologize it is a little short. But today I'm going to be doing a Pusheen coloring page, but digital. Usually I always do this in with traditional because I do have a coloring page for it, but I went ahead and scanned the one of the coloring pages and went ahead and brought it into Photoshop. So I had a little fun with this and just kind of did a really simple clip art. I did some shading, but I didn't do something completely like into a painting. I wasn't feeling up to going into like a whole painting thing, so I just did something really simple. And yeah, so I did kind of like how it turned out with the shadows, even though again it was simple. But I hope you guys liked it and I had fun with it, and I will see you all in my next video. Enjoy the rest of the time lapse. Bye.